tear. No, not ounces. 21 grams. And I usually go a little bit more because that's the kind of guy I am.
I just said it better.
Of course, I overdid it. There we go. Couldn't have said it.
Anybody else want eggs?
What are you doing, Leo?
I'm just gonna grind the coffee now with my. This is a hand grinder. You just always want to be sure to protect the threads when you grind your coffee. You just put a little piece of tape around it. Because you don't want to muck up the threads. The taste and quality of a hand-ground burr grinder with the convenience of power. Well, that's if I'm not doing it fast. Ta-da!
Now what are you doing?
Have you ever didn't do that too? These. In the little red thing. Hot water. This part I'm not too sure about, but supposedly you have to make the white thing wet. I'm not really sure I buy into that one, but I still do it. Oh, F. Try not to do that. Where's the blue thing go? Gotta put the water in here because it has such a much nicer pour. That's what you should be videoing. Did you make one of those for me?
No. I asked if anyone wanted an egg. No one said yes.
I do. I want one just like that. Ta-da!